Good evening and welcome to Abdullah's how-to video. Tonight I'm going to show you this bicycle. It's called the A-bike, invented by a British inventor called Sir Clive. Now this bicycle only weighs 5.6 kilograms and can hold up to the maximum weight of 85 kilograms. Let me show you how easy it is.
The world's smallest folding bike.
Oh yes, to assemble this bicycle. Now, if you are a trained person, you've been using this bicycle for quite some time, you can disassemble and reassemble it in less than 30 seconds. Now, this is the first time I'm using this bicycle, so it's going to take me quite some time. But as you can see, it's pretty much quite assembled.
You got to pull press the button, pull the thing. You have to see how the hydraulic, yes. And lock and click. Alright.
Okay. So it's pretty much done, and I can cycle off to work in less than 1 minute.